Once you've come on the Vantage app and you logged in, you will notice that it takes you to a page. It takes you to this page. And usually you will see to the bottom of your screen here, you will see home, trades, discover, promo, and profile, right? So when you click on profile, you get to see your name. You get to see your name over there. You see a whole lot of things, right? So we'll go first of all here. When you log in, this is where you come to first. So you come to your live account. When you come log in, you come first of all to your live account. Okay. Now your live account is what you're going to be seeing on profile. You're going to be seeing it on profile. You can see my screen right now. My screen shows live, right? You see my screen shows live, and with live, you see the account number. You see the account number to the top of the screen there, right? To top left-hand side of the screen. Now, once you log in, you'll be able to see, you see your live account there to the top left-hand side of your screen. You see your live account, right? Now, once you see the live account there, this shows you now that you are on your live account. And usually that live account will have, when you come to trades, come to the bottom of the screen here, you come to trades, you will be able to see the funds that are inside the live account, right? You come to home, you'll be able to see the funds that are inside the live account. So now, when you come to this home page displays, first of all, your equity, your capital, the funds are in your account. And then you are able to see the instruments that are available for trading on this app. The instruments are available for trading, right? Now, you notice that you have currencies, you have indices, you have Forex, you have crypto, you have metals. As you scroll through the screen, you will see that there are share CFDs, there are commodities, ETFs, bonds, and so on and so forth. Right. So whatever instrument you want to trade, first of all, what you want to do here is you see what we call the watch list. Can you see that? The watch list. Now that watch list is where you add the instruments that you trade very often. That's where you add the instruments you trade very often. Okay. You add those instruments that you trade very often. Now, if here I want to add another instrument, right here, right now, you can see here I have USD JPY, I have Euro USD, I have gold, I have GBP USD, I have AUD USD, right? Now, if I wanted to add, let's say I want to add another instrument, whatever instrument that is, let's say I want to add AUD USD. Okay, so I come to add symbols, I click on add symbols, then I search for that particular instrument. Usually it will be under Forex, AUD USD, or I could just search here, AUD USD, right? Once you see that, I click on that, then it's added, done. So now I come back to, okay, it was actually there before. I think I just removed it, right? It was there before. Okay, let me add it again now. I go to add symbols. I search for it, AUD USD. Then I click on it. I favorite it, right? I click on done. Now I go back to watch list. You can see I have AUD USD there. So this is how you add instruments to the watch list so that you can, easily come here and place trades. Right? So that's the first thing. Then you're able to do whatever, be able to scroll through whatever instrument you're looking for, be metals. Under metals here, you find gold, silver, all kinds of, you have copper, you have palladium, you have all kinds of instruments, all kinds of metal instruments there. Under CFDs, share CFDs, you have Tesla, Nvidia, and so on and so forth, right? Now, when it comes time to place a trade, what you do is you come under trades, come to trades, right? Now, to the top left-hand side of the screen there, you can see the instrument we have by default. The instrument we have by default is NAS 100. NAS 100, right? So what we do then is click on the NAS 100. what we do there is click on the NAS 100 to place a trade there. If you want to change that instrument, all you need to do is come here. Once you click on NAS 100, it gives you the option to pick the instrument you want to trade. If NAS 100 is not the instrument you want to trade, now you can pick the instrument you want to trade. Let's say we want to trade gold, right? We click on gold. Now you see NAS 100 has changed to gold. Okay, now you can see the button there. The red button is a sell button. That is what is highlighted currently. So I will only click on sell now if I wanted to make a sell trade. But if I didn't want to, if I wasn't looking to make a sell trade and I wanted to take a buy trade, I will select the buy, click on the buy. Now you see it turns to buy. Now it moved from red to green now. Okay, that is the buy trade. That means I want to make a buy trade. So when you come here and you are seeing sell, is because the sell button is what's activated. Now, if I want to make a buy trade, I click on the buy, I'm able to take the buy trade. Now, when it comes to volume, volume is your lot size. What lot size are you picking? So this is what you place here. Let's say we're using 0.11 here. Type it there. That's your lot. Then we select the TPSL button. Once we select that, now we're able to impute you're able to impute your take profit, you're able to impute your take profit value and your stop loss value, right? Can you see that? Very easy. Your take profit value, your stop loss value, and then you click on buy for a buy trade. In the case of a sell, you click on sell, you impute your volume, which is your lot size. Then you impute your take profit value, your stop loss value, and click on sell, right? So that is for this particular instrument you want to trade. This is whatever it is you want to trade. If you want to trade something else, after you enter this trade, you want to trade something else, you do the same thing. You come and click on this gold, look for the instrument. If the instrument you're looking to trade is not on that watch list, it should be on that watch list because you already set this on watch list, right? On watch list. Now, if you're looking to trade something else, let's say you're looking for NZD-USD. NZD-USD is a currency pair. You click on Forex and then search for NZD-USD. NZD-USD. Once you type the first four digits there, the first four letters, sorry, and the instrument itself pops out. Then you click on it. Once you click on it, it's available for trading now, right? You set your trading parameters for a buy or for a sell, and then you are good to go. You go into that trade, right? So this is how you enter trades. This is how you trade on the Vantage app directly, right? You can trade directly on the Vantage app all by yourself. Okay. Now let's move forward. Okay. Now you see the discover area here. This is mainly for something I'll talk about shortly, which has to do with copy trading. But you notice there's copy trading there. You notice there's community. There's 24/7. 24/7. There's economic calendar. So this app is a super app, basically, where you can do everything like we said before, right? Now, when you come to economic calendar, you see that there's an economic calendar that is embedded within the app here. This helps you to look at what's going on with the market. What is it that's expected in the market? Now, for every day, for most days, there are usually economic events that drive the direction of the market, right? Now, that's what you will find right here on the economic calendar. Like I said, there's so much you can do on the app. So the economic calendar here shows us what's happening with the market, what's going to drive the market for different instruments, right? So what's been happening in the market for all this while you see it's all displayed under 24/7. You have community. Community is mainly for social trading. You have webinars. We actually have webinars that we hold right on this app here. You know, you get notifications concerning these webinars every so often. Every so often. Analysis is there as well. We have a newsletter, you know, and so on and so forth that you can do what you can do here, right? Now, when you come to profile, look to the bottom of the screen again, you come to profile. Now you have an account there, you have a live account there, right? Now, you see, if I click on the drop down arrow just beside the account number, click on the drop down arrow there, you see that there are other accounts that I have here. I have other accounts here, right? Now, something that's very important that you can do here on this app is what we call copy trading, which is social trading, right? This is where your account, where you fund your account and your account copies someone else who is already trading on the app. And then the trades that he takes gets replicated on your own account, and you're able to make the profits that he makes, right? That's what we call copy trading. So it's one of the accounts that you can have on the Vantage app, and you can actually utilize it. So you can see here, I have two accounts that are copy trading accounts. So I'll click on the first one here. All right. So now you see I've moved from live to copy, live account to copy trading. So this copy trading is where a whole lot of that copy activity I talked about earlier, this is where it happens, right? And for you, once the way to do that is you fund your account, you're still learning to trade and all that, or you are trading, and you just decide that a lot of our clients, what they do is they trade on their own and they are still doing copy trading. So what they do is they allocate a portion of their funds to be managed by a copy trader, to be connected to what we call a signal provider, right? So whatever trades the signal provider takes gets replicated on his account. So he can have $500 in his account, and he decides, you know what, I'm going to do my own trading with $300. Then I'm going to take $200 and I'm going to follow a signal provider, try to earn profits, hands-free. I'm not doing the trading on the $200. I just want to make profits without doing anything by copying the signal provider. Then the 300 I'll trade on my own, right? Something like that. So here, if you decide that you want to do, if you are doing the copy trading, what you just need to do is you fund your account. Remember, this is one of the accounts I have here. Just the way you transfer funds to your live account, you can transfer funds to your copy trading account as well. And once you've done that, what you then need to do is you come to this page here. You see, it says discover strategies. Discover strategies. Now, it's either you click on discover strategies or you click on discover at the bottom. It's the same thing. So we'll click on discover at the bottom. So we're able to look through the different signal providers that are available here, right? Now, for you to be able to know which one to copy, all you need to do is look at the stats of these traders. Look at the statistics of these traders. Once you click on the trader, I just clicked on the first one here that's displayed. I just clicked on the first one displayed here. What I just did here was I clicked on the first one, clicked on the first trader there. As I clicked on that trader, I'm now able to see the statistics of this trader, right? This is how I determine which trader I'm going to copy, which one I'm going to follow, right? Now, you can see what I see there is I can see the return. This return 777.77%. I see that the number of copiers following him 261. The risk band measures how risky or how conservative a trader is. Is the trader very conservative? Is the trader high risk? That tells me that if that number is 1, that tells me that that trader is likely conservative. Then the profit sharing percentage. Profit sharing percentage is how much the trader takes from the profit, how much is paid to the trader of the profit that he makes for you. Remember, you are a copier, you're following this trader, whatever he makes on your account, whatever profit he makes that's copied to your account, you have to pay him a percentage of that. That is what is in need for the trader. Otherwise, why would he want to do that, right? And he could just trade on his own and be chill. But the benefit he gets is that he gets to split his profits with you. But he takes a smaller percentage. Traders will usually take between 20 and 30%. So this particular trader takes 20% of the profit that he makes for you. So if in the course of a month he makes you $100, he takes $20 and 80% is kept in your account. $20 is paid to him, 80% remains in your account, right? In addition to your capital. Okay, so you can see what this trader has been doing over the course of several months. This is month-on-month return, monthly returns, right? So as you scroll, you see certain things. You see that he has a daily drawdown of 81%, which means that for a while, he has had trades run negative on his account to the tune of 81%. Okay, so you have to determine, is it the kind of trader that I want to copy? Is it the kind of trader I want to follow? Who can have this 81% drawdown his account in a day? Is that the person you want to follow? You decide that. That could mean that he's aggressive and then he's also very profitable. Okay, so you will look at that and decide that for yourself. Now, when you scroll up here, you see all the other stats, the amount of people, the amount of funds following him, right? At this moment now, he has about $7,116 following him, which means that is the amount of funds that people have pulled together and copied him with over the period that he has been on the Vantage app, right? Now we go again to the trade stats. He's taking over 387 trades. And then you can see his win rate is 82.4%. His trades are categorized into different categories here. You see he trades more of crypto. You see shares, he has taken only 1 share trade. Indices, he's taking 4 indices trades. Metals, which is most likely gold, he has taken 191 trades. Then crypto, he has taken 191 trades as well, right? So when you come to frequently traded, you see he trades mostly BTC and gold, right? And for BTC, he has 83% win rate, which is an excellent win rate. He has 87% win rate for gold. He has 72% win rate for gold as well, right? So these are all just statistics that you can look at to determine if this trader is the one you want to follow with your money. All right. So if you're not content with that, you go back again and look for another one. Search for another trader. Just like that, you can go through. And once you have decided the trader you want to pick, what you then do is you click on the trader. You've looked at the statistics and you are okay with the statistics. You click on copy. Okay. Once you click on copy, very likely the trader might have some instructions as to how to copy him, right? They may have some instructions as to how to copy him. But if he doesn't have any instructions as to how to copy him, all you just need to do is come here, click on copy mode. Look at copy mode. Click on the drop-down button beside copy mode there. And click on equivalent use margin. Equivalent use margin. So with equivalent use margin, all you need to do is just select that amount. You select equivalent use margin, you start with 1. So all you need to do is select 1. And then you come to risk management. Set your risk management. This is where you determine how much of your account you are willing to risk following this trader. Remember, trades are not 100% perfect, which means you will not win all your trades all the time. So this is where you determine how much of your trades, how much of your capital you are willing to risk. So if you're only willing to risk 20% of your capital, you change your stop loss to 20. This is a percentage 10. Okay, you change it to 20. Now you are okay. If you want only 15, you can cancel this one and set 15. Now you are 15%. Now, usually the copier, the signal provider will tell you exactly what to do. But this is in the case that he doesn't tell you what to do. If he doesn't tell you what to do, you do it this way, right? You scroll there, then you make sure you uncheck copy opened trades as well. This will ensure that you do not enter a trade that has been running and the trade is not even doing well yet, or the trade is doing well, whatever it is. You don't want to enter a trade that has already been running for a while, right? Because the trade might be at a point where you cannot activate it anymore. And even if you activate it, it might lead to a profit for the trader and still lead to a loss for you. So the best thing is to uncheck these and then you click on done and submit. You're done. You've set up your trading system. But if you are now copying. Now, if a trader tells you exactly how to copy him, then you follow the rule. You follow exactly what he has stated as to how to copy him. Okay? So That's for that. Now let's come to profile again. Now under profile, we said this app is a super app, right? So there's a lot you can do here. Now look at assets. You see deposit, you say transfer, withdraw funds, v-wallet, and so on. Now when you click on deposit, it takes you to deposit page here. Now it's asking you it's asking you which account you want to fund. This is the account you want to fund. You just select the amount you want to fund. Let's say I want to fund $1,000 here. I click on done. I click continue. So it gives me the options. What options am I going to use to pay? Right? If I'm going to use, I'm in Nigeria right now. If I'm going to use the Nigeria instant bank transfer, I use that one to pay. Or if I want to, if you're in Kenya, you're going to see a Kenyan option there. If you're in South Africa, you're going to see a South African option there, for you to use. Then if you don't want to use any of that, that's for local bank transfer. Then you come to credit card. Right? If you want to use a credit card, you click on credit card, and you're able to use the credit card option. Then if you're not using that, you want to use cryptocurrency, you click on cryptocurrency, and then you select whatever cryptocurrency you want to use, right? If you're selecting USDT TROC, that is a USDT that's on the Tron network, you click on that, it will give you the options to make the deposit. It will give you the options to make the deposit. You can see it displays for you the wallet address that you are supposed to be that you're supposed to transfer funds to. So all you need to do is copy this wallet address, go to your Bitcoin wallet, whatever it is, Bitcoin, Binance, whatever it is, go there, then transfer that amount, the amount you want to deposit. The amount you want to deposit, transfer it into this account, and then click on submit. Once you've done that, it will automatically credit your account. You will see your account will be credited within a few seconds. Those funds will be credited into your account within a few seconds. Or if you want to use e-wallet, you can definitely use the e-wallet. All of that is there. It is the deposit option. Okay. Now, if you want to make withdrawals, click on withdraw. Click on withdraw. And usually you're going to select the account you want to withdraw from. Let me see. You select the account. Which account do you want to withdraw from? You can select the one you want to withdraw from and say, okay, this is the account I want to withdraw from. You select the amount there. Let me see. Okay, so this account now, I can decide I want to withdraw a certain amount from the account. What I do is I select the balance. The balance is 314, so I can decide I want to withdraw. Let's say $50, right? So I click on done. Once I click on done, then I click on continue. It will take me through the process to make my withdrawal. So that's how to withdraw from there. Funds, v-wallet, everything you can do is right here. If you're an introducing broker as well, which is you're a partner with Vantage, you can also use the IB link here to do the same thing. To go once you click on that, it will take you to your introducing broker portal, where you can manage your trades, where you can invite clients, where you can copy your link. Come here, copy your link here, and be able to send this to clients to be able to, sign up, create the accounts, and join Vantage Markets, right? So all of these you can do right on the Vantage app. Okay, so yeah. Then a promo as well. When it comes to promo, we have our 50% deposit bonus. And then we have a couple of other promos, but this is the very popular 50% deposit bonus. All you need to do is click here, click on it. Once you open it, you will require to opt in. You can opt in from here as well. You can participate in our promotions right from the Vantage app as well. So you can see, if we go back now, you see there are so many promotions that are running on this page. So you can do anything you want to do, anything that you can think of that we've offered, you can do right here on the Vantage app. Okay, so this is meant to show you how you can navigate this Vantage app and be able to do everything that you need to do, and in a very seamless and easy format. Okay, do we have any questions?